Hey everyone, and welcome back. We've all used basic code completion, but what if your coding assistant could write entire functions for you just from a simple comment? In this lesson, we're taking code completion to the next level with GitHub Copilot. We'll move beyond simple suggestions and see how this AI tool can anticipate your needs and generate complex multi-line code snippets. By the end of this part, you'll be able to write code faster and more efficiently than ever before. Let's get started. First, let's make sure you have the tool installed and ready to go. GitHub Copilot is a VS Code extension that requires a GitHub account and a subscription. Head over to the VS Code Extensions Marketplace, search for GitHub Copilot, and install it. Once installed, you'll be prompted to sign in to your GitHub account. Let's open a new Python file and start with a simple function. Notice how a standard editor gives you basic keyword suggestions. Now let's use Copilot. I'll write a simple comment asking it to do something more complex. This is where Copilot really shines. It understands natural language comments and turns them into code. Function to calculate the average price from a list of dictionaries. Let's try a more practical example related to our web scraping project. We have a list of scrape data, and we need a function to save it to a CSV file. Instead of writing all the boilerplate code, we'll ask Copilot to do it for us. The key is to write a descriptive comment that gives it enough context. Write a function to save a list of dictionaries to a CSV file. Copilot also understands docstrings, which are a great way to document your code. By writing a detailed docstring, you can get Copilot to generate even more complex functions. Let's create a function that filters a list of dictionaries based on a specific key-value pair. This is a common task in data manipulation, and Copilot can handle it with ease. Def filter products by category, data, category, filters a list of product dictionaries by a given category. Args, data, list, a list of dictionaries where each dictionary represents a product. Category S star, the category to filter by. Returns list, a new list of dictionaries containing only products that match the category. Copilot is a powerful tool, but it's not a magic bullet. Trap number 1, blindly accepting code. The code generated might be buggy or not fit your specific needs. Always review it. Trap number 2, not providing enough context. If your comment is too vague, Copilot will give you a generic or incorrect answer. Best practice, write a descriptive comment or docstring. This is your primary way of communicating with the AI. Another best practice is to understand the code it generates. This is still your code, and you need to be able to debug and maintain it. Ready to practice? We've got a quiz, a coding challenge, and all the code from this lesson linked in the description below. They're great for reinforcing what you've learned. To quickly recap, remember that GitHub Copilot goes beyond simple suggestions to generate entire code blocks from natural language comments, making it an incredibly powerful tool for writing code faster and more efficiently. We've now mastered the fundamentals of AI-assisted coding, but how do we apply these skills to a real-world problem? In our next lesson, we'll start our new series, Project, Building a Data Analysis App with AI. We'll use everything we've learned to build a practical application that processes and visualizes data. See you there. Did this lesson help you out? If so, please like and share it with your friends. Your comments and subscriptions are what let us keep making more great coding content.